नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी को जीके जीएस मिशन में स्वागत है। चलिए आज हम लोग 100 बायोलॉजी का क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं। तो क्वेश्चन 1 है, हाउ मैनी टोटल नंबर ऑफ बोन प्रेजेंट इन ह्यूमन बॉडी? आंसर 206 और न्यू बोन बेबी में 300 होता। क्वेश्चन 2, एट वेरी हाई अल्टीट्यूड आरबीसी इन ह्यूमन बॉडी विल? आंसर इंक्रीज इन नंबर। क्वेश्चन 3, नेम द लार्जेस्ट बोन इन ह्यूमन बॉडी? Answer femur. Question 4, what are the number of chromosomes in human cell? Answer 46, 23 pair. Question 5, failure of which gland result in diabetes in human body? Answer pancreas. Question 6, name the smallest endocrine gland in human body? Answer pituitary gland. Question 7, name the smallest muscles in human body? Answer stapedius. Question 8, the lifespan of RBC? Answer 120 days. Question 9, which component of blood is responsible for clotting? Answer platelets. Question 10, name the largest endocrine gland in body? Answer thyroid gland. Question 11, which is the largest part of brain? Answer cerebellum. Question 12, transport of oxygen in human body by? Answer blood. Question 13, bile juice is produced by? Answer liver. Question 40, our bone and teeth are made of which element? Answer tricalcium phosphate. Question 15, in human body which organs has maximum power of regeneration? Answer liver. Question 16, what is the semicircular area of nail called? Answer runal. Question 17, what are the average length of a small intestine? Answer 7 meter. Question 18, what is the length of large intestine? Answer 1.5 meter. Question 19, the largest vein in human body? Answer anterior vena cava. Question 20, name the largest white blood corpuscles? Answer monocyte. Question 21, why blood do not clot inside the blood vessels? Answer presence of heparin. Question 22, color of eye depends upon pigment present in? Answer iris. Question 23, name the smallest bone in human body? Answer stapes present in ear. Question 24, in human body dialysis is used for funeral of which organ? Answer kidney. Question 25, where is mandible bone is located? Answer jaw. Question 26, blood is red in color due to presence of? Answer hemoglobin. Question 27, image found on which part of eye? Answer retina. Question 28, name the largest joint in human body? Answer knee. Question 29, name the most commonly broken bone in human body? Answer calvula, called collarbone. Question 30, in human, universal donor has the blood group of? Answer O. Question 31, what are the main constituents of hemoglobin? Answer iron. Question 32, which hormone is called emergency hormone in human body? Answer adrenaline hormone. Question 33, thalassemia is heritage disease which affect? Answer blood. Question 34, universal recipient has the blood group of? Answer AB. Question 35, in human eye the least distance of distinct vision is? Answer 25 centimeter. Question 36, in human body where is tibia bone found? Answer leg. Question 37, myopia and hypermetropia disease connected with? Answer eye. Question 38, which gland is associated with blood pressure? Answer adrenaline gland. Question 39, which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Sphygmomanometer. Question 40, which isotopes of cobalt is used in detection of cancer? Answer cobalt 60. Question 41, what is the largest blood vessel in human body? Answer aorta. Question 42, bones are connected by which tissue? Answer ligaments. Question 43, name the longest muscles in human body? Answer Asterius muscle. Question 44. ECG is used for the diagnosis of answer heart. Question 45. Which blood corpuscles are called as shoulder of the body? Answer WBC. Question 46. In human body, formation of red blood cells occur at answer bone marrow. Question 47. Which virus is related with AIDS? Answer retrovirus. Question 48. Which part of cell is called powerhouse of cell? Answer mitochondria. Question 49. What is the body temperature of healthy man? Answer 36.9 to 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 50. Name the acid which is secreted in stomach. Answer HCl. Question 51. What is called the suicidal bag of the cell? Answer lysosome. Question 52. How many basic tastes can humans sense? Answer 5. Sweet, sour, bitter, salty and yummy. Question 53. Blood cancer is also called as answer leukoammonia. Question 54. Which organs filter blood in human body? Answer spleen. Question 55. Medulla oblongata is a part of human. Answer brain. Question 56. Which tissue is in human where no cell division occur after birth is? Answer nerve. Question 57. DPT vaccine is helpful to prevent the disease? Answer diphtheria, pertussia and teenage. Question 58. Which part of the brain control emotions reaction in our body? Answer hypothalamus. Question 59. What is the another name of human voice box? Answer larynx. Question 60. What is the basic unit of nervous system? Answer neuron. Question 61. What is the average heartbeat of human? Answer 72 per minute. Question 62. Heart is made up of which muscles? Answer cardiac muscles. Question 63. Which gland is associated with goiter disease? Answer typhoid gland. Question 64. Where is pituitary gland is situated in human body? Answer the base of the brain. Question 65. Name the main organs of cardiovascular system. Answer heart. The connective tissue that connect muscles to a bone. Answer tendon. Question 67. What is the important function of ear provide other than hearing? Answer balance. Question 68. Which gland produce tear in human? Answer lacrimal gland. Question 69. Which is the largest nerve in human body? Answer cystica. Question 70. Which is the largest gland in human body? Answer liver. Question 71. Animal or human beings a sponge called? Answer vertebrates. Question 72. What is the pH of blood? Answer between 7.35 to 7.45. That means basic. Question 73. How many chamber in human heart? Answer 4. 2 arteries and 2 ventricle. Question 74. Which organs of human body secretes insulin? Answer pancreas. Question 75. In female, phenomena of releasing ovum from ovary is called? Answer ovulation. Question 76. Red blood corpuscles are also called? Answer erythrocyte. Question 27. Blood is which type of tissue? Answer connective tissue. Question 78. What is the dental formula of adult human? Answer 2123 bata 2123. Question 79. Which gland of human body is called as master gland? Answer pituitary gland. Question 80. What is the word for a person born without a skin and eye pigmentation? Answer albino. Question 81. In human body, which gland produce hormones? Under endocrine gland, that is ductless gland. Question 82. How many blood is present in human body? Answer 4.5 to 5.5 liters. Question 83. Which organs of the body never rest? Answer heart. Question 84. Which part of human body is affected from the disease called glaucoma? Answer eye. Question 85. Name the male sex hormone. Answer testosterone. Question 86. Which part of brain is also known as little brain? Answer, cerebellum. Question 87. The other name of alimentary canal? Answer, digestive tract. Question 88. Name the largest cell. Answer, ovum. Question 89. What is called as digestive bag of the cell? Answer, lysosome. Question 90. If we line up all the neurons in the brain into it, what is the stretch length? Answer, thousands of kilometers. Question 91. Name the largest lymphatic organ. Answer, a spleen. Question 92. In human body, which organs have minimum power of regeneration? Answer, neurons and nerve cell. Question 93. What is the composition of blood? Answer, plasma 60% and blood corpuscles 40%. Question 94. Name the scientist who discovered penicillin. Answer, Alexander Fleming. Question 95. What is the purpose of valve in Venice? Answer, to prevent backflow of blood. Question 96. In human body, where is penarasa located? Answer, neck. Question 97. What is the helpful in preventing the bleeding of germs? Answer, ascorbic acid. Question 98. Name the bulkiest muscles in human body. Answer, gluteus muscles. Question 99. Which tube passes the food from pharynx to stomach? Answer, esophagus. Question 100. Which cell produce antibiotic in human body? Answer, lymphocyte. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो दोस्तों के पास शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल पर पहली बार हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। अगर आप 100 मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन देखना चाहते हैं तो इसका आई बटन में जाकर क्लिक कीजिए।